Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding a demo of fake news detection with Python, and already with the same video we have worked with some other machine learning algorithms, and in this code we are going to work with the decision tree machine learning algorithm. So for that initially we are importing the libraries which we are needed, and then we are calling our dataset. This dataset I got downloaded from Kaggle. Just you can give it as a fake news detection in Kaggle means you will just get this link. Then it will have nearly two files, that is the one is for fake file and the other is for true file. So in the later on we will be merging it into a single CSV file. So the first thing, this is the thing for fake CSV file, and next is the first 5 entries of true CSV file, and then we are getting the shape of the true class and also the fake class. Then after working with this training we will be working with manual testing. For that we are just removing the last 10 rows of both the true class and the fake class, and then we are making them into an another CSV file. So the name of the other CSV file is manual testing.csv. Then we are merging the true class and the fake class by using the concat function. So then we have got the text like title, text, subject, date and class. In this we are getting the columns. What are the columns they are having? Why? Because the columns which we are needed is text and class only, all others we don't need. So we are just dropping the other classes, and then we are checking whether the data set is having any null entries. It is not having any null entries. So if it is having means we have to work with some pre-processing function, but since it's not having, we are not moving to any pre-processing function. Then we are shuffling our data set, since after merging we have to shuffle it, because here you can notice it is first having only the zero classes, one classes is not found in middle. So in order to do that we are just making shuffling functions. Here you can notice now one is found in the middle, but here you can also notice that it is not starting from one. The syntax term is also shuffled. So in order to make it in sequential order, we are just resetting the index. So now after resetting, you can just notice that it is starting from 0 only. Then we are making pre-processing. Why? Because this text is in that is this text column is having some things like lower some lower alphabets, then uppercase alphabets, then punctuation marks, then it may consider some links. So in order to reduce that, we are moving with some pre-processing functions, and by using a definition, and by this definition we are applying to the text only, because it is only having all this, but the class, it is a numerical file only, so it's not, we are not applying to it to the class column, we are just applying to the text column. And then we are declaring the x variable and y variable. By using this we are just declaring the x train, x test, y train and y test value by using the test size of 0.2, that is 20% for testing and remaining 80% for training. And since our text is having many strings, we have to convert it into vector. For that we are making a use of the TF-idf vectorizer. You can notice by using this we are just making that is converting or x train and x test value, because it is only having the text column values, y is having only the class column values. Then already we have worked with the random forest and we got an accuracy of 99%. Other than that, we have also made to display the precision, recall, F1 score and support. Then we have also worked with support vector mission. In that we got an accuracy of same 0.99, and we, for this also we displayed the other classification report parameters. Now in this code we are going to work with the decision tree. I have previously said in many videos that the only difference between every machine learning algorithms is the use of the libraries. We have to just make use of its library, and then by using that library we have to make a variable. That variable we will be using for training and testing. For training we will be using the fit function, and for testing we will be using the predict function and the test variables. And then we have declared the confusion matrix. Confusion matrix, we are getting only some entries. The reason is we are using only 20% of the data for testing and remaining 80% is used for training. So only it is having some less number of entries. Then we have also displayed the classification report values like precision, recall, F1 score and support. In this we have got an 100% accuracy. So from this three algorithms we can make a conclusion that decision tree is providing the better result. So in the start I said that we will be making some manual testing. For that we are making two definitions, and one is output label and one is manual testing label. So in the output label definition, it is having an if loop where if it is n is equal to 0 means it will display as fake class, and if not it is 1 means it will display it as a not fake class. And in manual testing we will be performing some testing by using the vectorizations also, and also some predict functions. For all the three predict functions of algorithms which we are used will be used over here, and we will be displaying the output in the next cell. In the lines cell 30 you can notice that we are giving an news by manual. So after that we have given, we are displaying it as it is displayed as fake news by every three predictors, and then we are making an comparison with the three algorithms which we have done. For making it, we are making it into all the algorithms within a model variable, and we are calling over here within a for loop. And then we are performing training, testing, and we are also displaying accuracy, mean squares, and mean square error, and also R2 score. And then we are displaying the accuracy of a random forest model, support vector mission model, and decision tree within the same cell. And then we are also displaying a table. Within the table you can notice that the three algorithms are given, and also you can notice the decision tree takes the first place. After that support vector mission takes the second place, and then comes the random forest. So this is the code for fake news detection. In the next code, we will be working with some other machine learning algorithms and will make a comparison. So if you are interested in knowing some other demo video means, please let us know in the comment box. So if we are aware of it means, we will make a video regarding it definitely. Thank you.